Hi, this is a quick video on different types of slides within the channel. First, I'll show you how to create a metric slide. So metric slide can be used to broadcast the data for a specific metric. Hence, you can see how the agents or a team are performing on that metric. So initially, I'm giving a name to the channel. And I'm creating a new slide for the metric leaderboard. Also, don't forget to give a name for the slide. Select the type of the slide as metric leaderboard. I need to specify what metric I need to broadcast here. For instance, I select number of deals. And we have two designs that you can choose from, highlights and racetrack. This is an example of how highlight would look like. And this is an example of racetrack design. Here I can specify how many entries need to be displayed on the slide. For instance, I'm giving 5 entries. You can select the entry for which the leaderboard should be displayed. For example, if I choose user, I can see how agents are standing on the basis of the metric number of deals. And if I choose location, it will show metric data based on each location. And of course, you can use filters to specify the entries for a location or team, etc. If you desire to view the metric data for some period of time, you can specify the interval here. For example, if I provide last 90 days, the leaderboard will show me the performance of agents for last 90 days. Finally, you can specify the sorting order of entries. High performance first will display entries in ascending order based on their performance. Okay, now it's about time to create a competition leaderboard slide. I need to add a new slide to create competition leaderboard. Provide a name for the slide. The type of slide would be competition leaderboard. You need to select one of the leaderboard design here. Now select the competition that you want to broadcast. So I will show you the competition settings. So as you can see, these are the metrics has been used for this competition. So if you click on this drop-down list, you can pick one of that metric to see its data in the context of running competition. But if you rather pick competition points, you will be seeing a leaderboard based on competition points. Again, here you can set the entity to be displayed. If it is a team competition, you can also select team here to see how teams are performing. You also have the privilege to filter on any team if you'd like. Here I'm setting 6 entries to be displayed on the screen. So just as I mentioned earlier, you can set an interval if you need to see the leaderboard which computed for some time period. And you can change the sorting order of the competition leaderboard if you wish. And optionally, you can set a background color or image for the slide, which I will show you how to do it in a while. Let's move into creating last slide type, which is image slide. Through image slide, you can broadcast any motivational quotes, or it can be images of team outing or anything. It's up to you. So I have to give a name for the slide and select the type of the slide as image. And I set a duration before it goes to next slide. So this option would help to take triggers and titles out of the view, meaning there would be nothing on the screen except the image you set for the slide. So also I can set a background color, and I set an image to be displayed through the slide. Also, you can change the order in which the slide to be displayed on the left side. So we have seen how to create all the slide types. Now let's view the channel we have created. We can open it in TV mode to view it. We can conclude this video after seeing how to share this channel. So go to the channel we have created and copy the public URL. You can click on this button to copy it. Now the URL has been copied. If I open the URL in any browser, I can view this channel. You can send this to any other workstation to make this channel available there. So that's how you create and broadcast a channel. Thanks for watching.